about the giveaway that you are giving to our lovely viewers?
Yes, certainly. So 2 free classes for whoever wants to join, and whichever class you want to join, just get in touch with me. I'll share my contact details, and that will be awesome to see you in one of the online classes. I do have one class in person also right now running, but because of the situation we are in, virtual classes are more sought after.
Okay. So somebody is gonna get this wellness, the gift of wellness from our lovely yoga instructor right here. It's 2 virtual classes for somebody. So, make use of it. You have to buy something from any of our vendors to enter this raffle. And at the end of our entire event, we would pick a winner, and it's gonna be amazing.
That will be fun.
Yes.
And if you want just a little bit more, I would like to add.
Absolutely, you have a lot of time. Please go ahead.
So the workshops that I have done and will be happy. I mean, this is something people can apply to their groups, to their communities, just like we did for HCM. So similar to that, I have workshops on chakra meditation. I also use essential oils for that. So each chakra, we have 7 of them, can be stimulated by using certain poses of yoga, and
it opens up your chakras.
Yes.
When are you having the next session for that?
I'll be planning something and sharing.
Please do. That is something I would be definitely interested in.
So
chakras.
So for sure, that's so those are a few options in yoga philosophy. Many people want to learn. I know most of us are from Indian background, but still there's so much to it in the history and the philosophy of yoga. So I've done workshops with that, which has been pretty successful. And apart from that, anything else that you can think of related to yoga, I'm happy to.
What other workshops are coming up?
I'm planning, one of them is chakra meditation, which I'm planning on doing in either November or it will be early next year.
Okay.
I'll share the details on that. Then pranayama.
Look out for it. Everyone, the chakra party is gonna happen.
And then pranayam and Doin massage, that is one of the Asian massage that you do on yourself. So it's a self-care massage.
Okay.
So that I've done a few times, and I will be happy to bring it back on. So there are a few options, few things for you to think about.
A lot of interesting stuff. I am, listening it for the first time. I have never even heard of these words. So thank you so much for, enlightening us with the knowledge that you have.
Yeah, definitely. And likewise, I'm learning so much from you guys by attending these sessions. I love it, totally love it.
So Urban Girl Gardener says her sessions are the best. Yes, they are, aren't they, Aradhna?
Thank you.
And Vandana says, I would love to join the chakra session. Keep us posted. That is exactly what I just told her. Keep us posted, because that is something I would be interested in joining as well.
For sure.
The chakra session. What else?
So pranayam, which is important, very important right now, for everybody. So, I can even have a small session for everybody anytime where I can at least walk you through. And because of COVID right now, the breathing and the lung capacity, all that, we need it more
very,
than
very
ever.
important. That's true.
That's something, one can focus on and do more or better, and that also relaxes you, overall. Once your breath is relaxed, your body relaxes, your mind relaxes, everything, right? So
you should actually advertise your courses and the sessions more, because you have so much knowledge. I know you for such a long time, but I didn't even know about all of these sessions that you keep.
That's why we had to come together and
talk.
I know. You see, that's good.
So you need to advertise these more, because I didn't really know about all of these amazing sessions that you have and you offer.
Certainly, I'll take that advice and work on it.
We have to put her name everywhere. All the good. I'll help you make those flyers. We have to put your name everywhere.
And that's awesome. And I'm learning astrology now.
Oh, okay.
So that's,
you keep shocking me.
That's a little bit of a surprise. I know I haven't shared this with many people, but it will not that,
That's
not
palmistry.
your horoscope, but
Panditi.
and really my reason of getting into it is so I can get to know people much better, and and then guide you to know people also. So
Astrology is all about planets and
planets and how
aligned,
at the time you were born, how the alignments were, and how they impact you and your relationships with others and your work and everything, right? So I'm learning, and it will take some time. But
you can use me as your subject if you want.
Sure.
Do your research. Okay, I am looking forward to your knowledge of astrology. That is so true. I am looking as well, Aradhna. Nice of you to volunteer to help promote Oh, what? Oh, thank you. That was for me. Okay. Don't forget me. Of course, we will not forget you, Aradhna. You would be coming for the session with me. And Pawan, be ready. You are next.
yes.
Pawan also wants to join in the session. Okay, so we are definitely, the chakra party is definitely happening. I'm going to call it the chakra party.
Yes,
you can call it the
sounds
chakra, the chakra session, but it's going to be a chakra party where all the ladies are going to come.
Party associated to it makes it more fun.
I can be your subject too. Yes. Okay, sure. Come in line.
And one final message for everybody with Diwali coming up. So much food, so much enjoyment. Please do enjoy yourself to the fullest, but don't forget about your health and wellness.
Absolutely.
Try to do some sort of exercise 3 times a week, whatever it is.
Yeah, no.
And that will allow you to eat a few more sweets.
Yeah, nobody's gonna do it. We'll do it after the Diwali, right? I know all of you. I know my crowd right here. Nobody's gonna do anything, but we make sure that after Diwali we are all gonna come over to Manjari.
Sounds good. I'll
for
take that.
her sessions. But it is good advice. You all of you should also do exercise 3 times a week.
At least.
I know Aradhna runs a lot, so that's good.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, good girl. That's inspiring. Okay, thank you so much for joining us and enlightening us with the knowledge that you have. I truly had no idea all of these things existed. So thank you for opening my eyes to yoga, and my perception has now changed.
Awesome. That was the idea.
Exactly. I'm not making this up. My perception has actually changed. I'm gonna definitely come to your sessions now.
I'm happy to hear that. Namaste. Thank you, everybody.
Okay, so are you ready for our next guest to join? Okay, Vandana says we are indeed enlightened. So Pawan, can I request you to send me the join request if you are watching? Aradhna says her voice is so calm during the sessions. You would not regret. I know, right? I can already hear her. Okay, I'm adding